Hello boys, hello girls, I'm Mr. Lucero and today we're going to see a grammar activity. In this part we're going to see be simple present affirmative and negative. So let's focus on this part. No? To do this activity we need to remember that when we say be, we say is, are. And remember that the verb to be eh, is very important for you to remember because in this case it's the only one, the only conjugation. I am French, I am a teacher, I am Peruvian. No? In this second case says you are a hero, you are a student, you are a police officer. Okay, in this case, you are is working as singular. See? Ah. Okay, with this article, it says that it's singular. Now we continue with he, she, it. For example, he is, she is, it is big. Okay, let's see here. I have my marker. I say is. Remember. And finally, we, you, and they are. For example, we are Japanese, you are Japanese, they are Japanese. Mister, you and you, exactly. In this one, remember, it was for singular, no? A hero, a police officer, no? But now, in this second part, it's for plural. For example, when we talk about many people in this case, for example, you and Maria are Japanese, or you and your friends are students. No? Remember, I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, and they are. What are the affirmative form of be? You can see am, is, are. But now, first let's check this activity. Okay, let's check this activity. Let's wait for this to upload, but you can practice. I am French, not like this. I am French. You are a hero. With example, he, she, it is big. And finally, we, you, they are Japanese. So the answers are right. Okay. Now let's continue. Here it says, what are the affirmative form of be? Okay, if I say the affirmative form of be, is, are. As you can see here, is, are. Now it says, now complete the chart with the negative form of be. Okay, listen. In this case, are affirmative. I am a teacher. Okay, I am. That is affirmative. I teach English. Okay. In negative, I am not. For example, I am not a veterinarian. Okay, I don't know about medicine. I am not a police officer. No. So what's the idea? To add not. You are a hero. You are not French. You are not police officers. You are not a Peruvian. For example, you are not teacher's class. Mhm. He, she, it. Remember, is. Okay. In the first part is affirmative, so is. In the second part is not affirmative. So you say is not. Okay. He is not Belgian. She is not Belgian. And it is not Belgian. What about we, you, and they? Are. Okay. I say are. Only are? No. Are not. Okay. Are not. You don't believe me? Okay, let's check the answers. Okay, let's see. In the first one, I am not a billion. In the second part, you are not French. Next, he, she, it is not Belgian. We, you and they are not Australian. Okay? This is the way you need to practice. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are. Affirmative. I am not, you are not, he is not, she is not, we are not, you are not, and they are not. This is negative form, okay? Negative form. And also, we can see contractions. For example, in this part you say I am. This is the complete form. But in this part you make a contraction. You say I am, you are, your, he is, his, I'm sorry, his, she is, she's, it is, its, we are, where, you are, your, they are, their. Mister, and the negative form, okay, the negative form is like this. I'm not. This is the only form, okay? I'm not. You aren't. You say you are not. You say you aren't. He is not. Okay, he isn't. She isn't. It isn't. We are not. Okay, we aren't. You aren't. They aren't. Okay? So, affirmative and negative. Now let's see here. I have one more question and short answers grammar. In this part is very similar to the first part. The only difference is that you change the verb to be, the position of the verb to be. For example, in this part you say, I am French. No? It's like this, I am from Japan. So what do you have to do? Change the pronoun and the verb be. I am from Japan. Am I from Japan? And you have two choices. Yes, I am, or no, I'm not. So you decide which one you're going to take. If that is affirmative, yes, I am. If that is negative, no, I'm not. Are you in the classroom? Are you? Yes, you are. No, you aren't. Is he, she, or it British? Yes, he is. Yes, she is. Or yes, it is. And the opposite, no, he isn't. No, she isn't. No, it isn't. Are we students? Are you students? Are they students? Yes, we are. Yes, you are. Yes, they are. Oh, no, we aren't. No, you aren't. No, they aren't. Okay? This is our activity for grammar. So, I hope this could be useful. Okay, so get ready for our classes. Thank you so much. See you in class.